turn right onto Bougainville Drive. Arrive at 3201 North.
The diverter wasn't working, and I thought it was because there wasn't enough pressure. And then I said, as I was making it a little hotter, it seemed to be getting better. And then I turned the hot water all the way on, and the pressure was perfect, but that was still only sending maybe half the water up.
And the rest was like trickling out?
So I think, yeah. So there's no, the cold water is like really, really slow.
Do you have?
How are you? All right.